Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am sharing with you up close a set of shower curtain hooks, nature shower curtain hooks. They are just beautiful, and I bought them at my favorite thrift store for just $1. As you know, shower curtain hooks come in sets of 12 and all the pieces are here. They are all there. But I want to repurpose them. I don't want to use them as shower curtain hooks in my bathrooms. But I do have a bear here. I unscrewed the hook. It was a challenge because I had to twist and twist and twist, and I just thought it was never going to come out, but it finally did. So in order for me to do that with all of them, I'm going to have to struggle with all of them. So it only left a little residue of glue there, which is nothing. But there were some other shower curtain hooks that I bought recently, and I did the same thing. But I had to throw them out because once I unscrewed the hook from them, they were left with a little edge that you could get cut with. So I threw those out. But not with these. These are perfect. So look at these. There are wolves. There are 3 of each. So there are 3 wolves, 3 fish, 3 bears, and so on. So beautiful. I love these. And just for $1, that was a steal. $1. You know, they always have nice shower curtain hooks. I bought others before at my favorite thrift store. So I always look in that section. So you will see these in future creations. So I want you to stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching.